The Goods and Services Tax GST bill was tabled in the Dewan Rakyat for the first reading by the second Finance Minister, Datuk Seri Ahmad Husni Hanadzlah today. He said the second reading of the bill would be in the next sitting of the Dewan Rakyat in March next year. He said companies with an annual revenue of 500,000 ringgit and below would be exempted from imposing GST. Essential goods such as agriculture produce and basic food items would also be exempted. Speaking to reporters later at the Parliament lobby, Ahmad Husni said the GST of 4% would be implemented in the middle of 2011.
Cukai baru yang dikenakan oleh kerajaan, tapi ia menggantikan sales and service tax yang selama ini memang telah dilaksanakan di negara kita, yang mana sales and service tax kadarnya adalah di antara 5 hingga 10%. Manakala yang ini kita akan bawa bawah dari itu. Kemungkinan kita lihat kepada 4%.
He said with the implementation of GST, the government would be receiving an additional of 1 billion ringgit in revenue for the first year from the current 12 billion ringgit. He added that through GST, businesses would save 4.1 billion ringgit in taxes and the export sector would save 1.4 billion ringgit.
Based on our study, the sales and service tax has to be replaced by GST because GST is more effective. We have to modernize the system, and this is consumption tax, kan? Consumption tax, sales and service tax, consumption tax, GST also consumption tax. We feel that going forward we must reform the consumption tax. That is why that we want to introduce the GST to replace the SST.
He also said GST would make businesses more competitive as the cost of business had reduced.